Turn your wedding dreams into a reality at a cost that fits your budget. So perhaps you're newly engaged or looking to be engaged. You're browsing around, getting ideas, and finding out wedding planning can be very stressful. That's where WedPlan comes in. WedPlan was created for brides who want it all but can't spend thousands making their wedding day everything they've envisioned. We minimize the stress for you. We take the guesswork out of wedding planning, and we enable you to create the wedding you've been envisioning your entire life without compromising on your unique tastes. WedPlan is a virtual wedding planning assistant with 12 months of online sessions, knowledge checks, tools, and resources to help you turn your wedding dreams into a reality, even on a tight budget. WedPlan is changing the game when it comes to wedding planning. Our packages offer brides the best of both worlds. We have a subscription model which holds your hand through the entire wedding planning process by giving you the tools that you need on a timeline to help you get everything done. We also offer a do-it-yourself model where you purchase the 12-month subscription all at once. It's a great option to help you save more and plan for as long as you wish. Or if you want a truly personalized experience, we offer 1-hour consulting calls with our experts to help you plan the wedding of your dreams. Regardless of which plan you choose, you'll gain access to our exclusive community filled with industry experts, vendors, and other brides and grooms just like yourself, where you can connect, ask questions, get ideas, and build the support that you need during your wedding planning process. Your wedding day should be one of the best days of your life, and we here at WedPlan want to help you turn your vision into a reality. Happy wedding planning!